Our fourth question is part of basic OOPS concept, that is object-oriented programming. I will be making a separate video series just for OOPS as it is one of the key topics to any of the language and has a lot of things to discuss. So you can subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get the notification whenever OOPS video will be uploaded. Back to our current topic. If you are familiar with some basics of OOPS, you would be knowing the term called constructor. If you don't know, no worries, let's revise a bit. In simple words, you can say a constructor is a special kind of method. That's it. In Python, constructor is defined as __init. Instead of double underscore, we call it dunder because it starts and ends with two underscores. There are many other dunder methods in Python. Simple, when you need a constructor, init is what you work on. We sometimes call constructor as a special method as well. So why do we need a constructor? When you have a class and want to access class objects, methods, you access via object.notation. So let's suppose you have an employee class with some object variable like name and age and want to access those. So you will create an object of employee class and use that object to access it. Constructor can be empty or parameterized, but will have a self as a first parameter. We will see self keyword in this video only, so stay tuned. Constructor helps in initialization of variables and do some kind of task if needed at the time of object creation. This also allocates memory to the new object as soon as it is created. All classes will have an init method, or you can say constructor, and Python internally creates this for you if you have not created one. And whenever you create an object or instance of a class, init method is called automatically. The last thing about constructor is, if you have multiple constructor defined in Python, Python always calls the last defined constructor. Let's say if you have constructor A, B and C, and when you create an object, constructor C will be called as it is defined as last.